everyone, and welcome back to Homestead House Science Experiments. I'm Olivia, and today we are going to be learning about the circulatory system. Yay! Okay, so the circulatory system is your heart and blood and veins and arteries, which pumps blood throughout your whole body. What you'll be needing is some red beans and some red gummy candies. They can be whatever color of red you want, but they have to be red. And here we got some lentils, orange lentils. And over here, these are just some white beans, and they're gonna be representing our white blood cells. These lentils here are gonna be representing platelets, which clot the blood so that, like, if you're getting a nosebleed, it will stop. And the white blood cells fight infection. And here, these are the red blood cells. They bring nutrients and oxygen throughout the whole body. Now, you'll need kind of like a tall flower vase. Okay, so we're going to be needing some corn syrup and a big spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to be adding our white blood cells, lentils, platelets, and our red blood cells. And now we're going to put our corn syrup in here. The corn syrup is the plasma, which is the liquid part of the blood. No, you're just going to need about that much. It's really thick, just like our corn syrup. Now, it is kind of soft, so now we're just going to stir. Look how cool that looks. Wow. The corn syrup is thick like your blood, so that's why if you don't drink enough water, your blood will get very, very, very sticky and thick, and your heart can't pump it anymore. Your heart can't pump it as easily. See how they're being suspended and flowing just like our blood and our other things. Look how cool! Look how cool that is! And that's our first experiment. Hi, and welcome back to the circulatory system! So, now that we've already did this one, we are going to be doing a new one. And this is going to be how we represent the heart, how the heart pumps. So what we'll need here is we'll need a plastic bottle filled up with water, a balloon, straw, scissors, and red food coloring. We were all out, so we are just using it. And a pan so that you can catch all the water and so that you won't have to clean up a big mess after. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is put the red or food coloring. Now use whatever kinds you have. This is the only kind that we have. So we're just gonna stir it around. And food coloring can stain your hands, so if you don't want to have dirty hands, probably close them. Now we're gonna make a mark right here, and that's where we're gonna be cutting the balloon. Please don't cut me! Sorry, it's for our experiment. Ah! Okay, so now maybe just now your balloon might pop off a couple of times. That's okay. Just a tiny little cut just to stick your straw in.
Not that small, that's way too small.
Now that we've made our tiny little slit. Now that the straw's in, it's going to represent our arteries. Now, each time your heart pumps, it's sending blood throughout the body. And that is what we represent here. Wow, look how cool that is. It's like it always wants to get my hand wet. Wow. So much water. Try this at home and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Holmes's House Science Experiment. Bye!